Shop Manager, Madness Auto Works, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Gopedal in your Fiat 500. You'll want to make sure the key is off, and the only tool needed is possibly a flashlight.
Alright, first step is reach up here, pull this tab out, pull the wire harness off the top of the gas pedal, and then you're going to take your Gopedal, put it on top, and then take the stock harness, and you're going to plug the Gopedal into the stock harness. Just like that. Once you've installed the Gopedal, turn it on. There's Eco, and you can detune it by 3, up-tune it by 3. There's Sport, detune, up-tune by 3. Sport Plus, detune, up-tune. To pair it with your phone, you're going to need to download an app from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. Whenever you first open the app, you're going to need to register it with your email. So how you pair your phone is you're going to turn it on, you're going to press and hold the plus button, like so. Things are going to start flashing at you. There you go. And you're going to open the app. Pair it. Alright, now you're on. You're off. On. Eco. Okay, now you can detune it. Sport. There you go. Race.
Yeah.
Off. Now with your Gopedal installed, you don't want to be playing with these buttons when your foot's on the accelerator. You just don't want to be messing with this while you're driving down the road. That is how you install the Gopedal in your Fiat 500. Any questions, give us a call or email.